In this next session, we're going to be talking about why so many people blame tech when they're having a lack of engagement, and the things that you should be doing and the things you shouldn't be doing to make sure that you actually drive engagement. If you're new here, my name is Karolyn Hart. I'm a tech entrepreneur who talks about building faith in products and people and a life that you love. Okay, so let's get to the crux of the matter. There's a lot of tech platforms that are out in the marketplace that you can be choosing from. And so from the website builders or the hub builders, hashtag I have app, whatever it is that you're choosing to build in, you have so many solutions. And actually, when we sit with a lot of our clients, one of the things that we find out is they are doing something called dilution. So let's say that you have a website that you rarely update, but then you're on X or LinkedIn that you always update. What happens is your audience might come to your site to look for an answer, but then if they find out that the most current information is on X, guess what platform they're going to start engaging with you on? Now, another thing that we see that clients do that is like a big no-no is they're not being consistent across all of their platforms. So for example, you say to everybody, we have this new way of engaging. Maybe it's an app, maybe it's a website, maybe it is whatever it is. Please join us over here. But then the next message they get comes from an email newsletter. And the email newsletter has information in it that doesn't have the same on the place that you told them to go to. So now that they have that experience, they just learned that, hey, this place that I told you to go to, not the place. Actually, just keep checking your email. And as we know, email is a horrible place to try and keep your customers current for a number of reasons. Even before the massive changes that are coming in this February, the very best open rates were around 20%. It's about an 80% failure rate. And then you're wondering why you're not driving engagement. So today, regardless of whether or not you use iHub app, one of the things that you can begin to do right now with whatever you're doing is stop diluting your audience. Make a decision. If you want your website or your app or whatever it is to be the number one source, then here's the crazy answer that we're going to give you. Make it the number one source. We hope that you found today's video helpful. And if you need anything further, including information on what's happening with the future of apps or other great tips and tricks, we provide a variety of free resources and tools, white paper, and training, all available to you at inspirehub.com. Have a great day.